In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to post on Reddit. You just need to follow these steps. So let's begin. First, all you have to do is open your app Reddit. Here you'll be landing on your home page. Next, you have to click on the bottom plus sign. Here you'll get to see the several options like image, video, text and so on. So if you want to post any image, you need to click on image. And if you want to post any videos, you need to click on videos. So right now I want to post one video, so let's click on videos. Here you need to choose one video that you want to post. So I'm gonna choose this video. Then you need to click on next. Here you'll be given an option to edit the length of your videos. And once you are done editing the length of a video, you need to add one title to your video. So I'm gonna keep it as forest aesthetic. Then you need to click on next. Then you need to tap on my profile. And then click on post. Now you need to go to your profile. Here click on my profile. Now you can see that your video is on process. Now your video has been posted successfully, so let's check it out. Here you'll get to see your video that has already been posted. So this way you can easily post any videos or any image that you want. Well, this is it, and this was a tutorial on how to post on Reddit. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching and have a great day.